You know, there's this massive opportunity just sitting there hiding in plain sight for creators right now, and that's generating real, actual income with YouTube Shorts. So today, we're going to break down the exact strategies and the tools you can use to really tap into it.
First, I want you to just wrap your head around the scale of this. I mean, we all know short-form video is a big deal, right? But do you know how big the audience is for Shorts specifically? The answer is probably going to shock you.
Yeah, you heard that right. 200 billion daily views. That's not my number, that's straight from YouTube's own CEO. This is not some small side feature anymore. It's a full-on content titan with an almost unbelievable amount of attention up for grabs every single day.
And look, this didn't happen by accident. YouTube has completely re-engineered its platform to push Shorts front and center. I mean, go to the homepage right now. What do you see? It's not rows of long videos anymore. It's a huge wall of Shorts. It's the same on your phone. It's the same in search results. For the first time, the platform is actively working for you to get your content seen.
So, you've got this massive audience, an algorithm that's on your side. So why isn't everyone crushing it? Well, that brings us to the single biggest roadblock that stops most creators dead in their tracks. The real problem isn't about being lazy, it's the creation bottleneck. If you've ever tried manually editing a long video, finding the good clips, adding captions, resizing everything, it can take hours just to make one single short. And that slow, painful process, well, it leads straight to burnout. It's why most people just give up.
And that's a huge problem, because with Shorts, you never really know what's going to go viral. The only way to win the game is to post a high volume of content consistently. You have to test ideas, see what the audience actually connects with, and trying to do that by hand, it's just a recipe for failure.
But what if you could just completely remove that bottleneck? What if you could have all the volume and all the consistency, but without the burnout? This is where modern tools absolutely change the game.
Let me introduce you to a tool called OPUSCLIP. It's a generative AI tool built to solve this exact problem. And its promise is so simple, but so powerful. You take one of your long videos and you let an AI automatically find all the best moments and turn them into 10, 15, maybe even more short, ready-to-publish clips.
The process is just ridiculously simple. You literally just drop in a link to a YouTube video or upload a file from your computer. The AI then goes to work. It analyzes the whole thing, figures out the most engaging and coherent parts, and then automatically edits them into vertical shorts. Seriously, it does in minutes what would take a human editor hours, if not days.
But it's so much more than just a cutting tool. The AI gives every single clip a virality score to help you decide what to post first. It automatically adds those cool, dynamic captions everyone loves. It even reframes the shot to keep you perfectly centered, gets rid of all the filler words like ums and ahs, and it'll even generate titles and hashtags for you. This isn't just an editor, it's like having an automated production workflow.
Okay, so you can create tons of content at scale. Fantastic, but how do you turn all those views into actual dollars? Let's get into the monetization manual and see how this all builds into a real income strategy. Basically, there are two main ways to make money, and honestly, you should be doing both at the same time. First, you've got the tools that YouTube gives you directly. And second, which is maybe even more powerful, are the strategies that you can build completely outside of YouTube's system. So on YouTube's side, they've rolled out some amazing new tools. With YouTube Shopping, you can tag products so people can buy right from your short without ever leaving the app. That's a huge deal for conversions. They've also lowered the bar to get into their affiliate program, they've built a brand new hub to connect you with brands, and they've added fan funding so your biggest supporters can send you money directly.
But here's the best part. You don't have to wait for anyone's permission for these outside strategies. You can start affiliate marketing today. Just promote products you actually use and love. You can also drive traffic to your own direct sales. Think of your shorts as quick, value-packed trailers for a bigger course or digital product you're selling. You could even offer your newfound AI-powered editing speed as a service to other creators. These are powerful methods that you control 100% right from day one.
Okay, so we've got the platform, we've got the tool, and we have the monetization strategies. Now let's put it all together into a simple, repeatable action plan that you can literally start using today.
But first, a quick reality check. A tool like this is an incredible advantage. It gives you insane speed and leverage. But it is not a business model. It's not going to make money for you.
You still have to do the work of creating great content, posting it, and tweaking your strategy.
So here's your workflow, your publication calendar. First, batch create. Take one long video and let the AI generate a whole week's worth of clips from it. Second, spend just a few minutes reviewing and refining the best ones to fit your style. Third, schedule 1 or 2 shorts to go out every single day. You've got to be consistent. And the final step is absolutely crucial. Analyze what's working. Which clips are getting the views? Then, just double down on those topics in your next long video. It creates this amazing feedback loop for growth.
So here we are. The platform is pushing shorts harder than ever before. The audience is there, watching billions of these things every day. And the tools to create content at scale and actually monetize it are finally here. I mean, everything is perfectly aligned. The only real question left is, are you going to take advantage of it?